Y'all, yesterday there was a car that caught on fire, and I'm still traumatized by it, but I'm gonna show you some pictures, some videos, and I'm gonna try to figure out how to post a video on what happened, if I can with that, but I'll try and stuff. So here's the pictures.
Get past it, and like I said, something blew out the side of it, and it catches right there. Like, you hear that? It just not blew. I'm probably going to walk up here and ask these people if they can back up in this driveway so we can turn around. Unless we're going to sit here and watch them.
Mama, I'm scared. I don't want to die.
You're not going to die because we're right by it. Hello? Yeah, we are right here with 60 outside of Stockport, and alright, bye.
Jesus. Oh. My man. Holy Jesus. Jesus. Oh my God.
I can see it right here. It's like The Walking Dead.
That's mentally like The Walking Dead. This is crazy. I am shaking so bad. I'm gonna pray for this girl. Holy Jesus.
There's people turning around. Huh? There's another one. I'm gonna put that back.
This is sad. Ohio is turning to California. No, it really did. There's a car on fire. Quit. Nobody was hurt. It was all good. The girl was a fighter, and we were good.